What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Reef. So today we're gonna go over my sump and my filtration. This is a 40-gallon greeter that I did myself. So let's go over real quick and show you guys my system. So this is the Skin 161 protein skimmer. It's rated for 130 to 300 gallon. I got this bad boy from Reef supplies. I'm happy with it. I have a lot of fish and a lot of corals. It collects a lot of junk, and I don't have no complaint about this protein skimmer. Right at the middle of my sump is my Refugium. This is Colorpa over here. The Colorpa is what is helping me to export nutrients out of my tank, and it's pretty good stuff. But you guys gotta remember that with Colorpa you gotta be careful because it will turn sexual on you. So you gotta keep your lighting on a timer. I keep mine 12 hours. That's my green bubble tips and enemy. I ended up placing it over here because it was stinging my corals. So I gotta do what I gotta do. But she seemed happy. Right behind, that's my deluxe carbon reactor. I used to run carbon and GFO in the past. I don't run GFO no more because my tank was looking crazy. My coral was looking pale, and because I have undetectable. Some people can pull that out, but not in my system. You don't want to have undetectable levels. So now my coral is looking beautiful and colorful. So I only run carbon and once a month and twice a month, you can say that. On this area right here, I ended up doing this platform just in case I want to run some other media, but there's no need to. So for now, it's there, but you never know. Right in front, you're looking at my manifold that I did it myself too, and I have two valves. One, the reactor is connected to it, so the other one is because I want to get a UV stabilizer. The lighting that I use in my Refugium is the Castle H80. This light is tiny, but it made my color pot to grow like crazy. It's pretty good light, man. Right next to it, I got my Jabo 1200 DC pump. This pump is so powerful, it's overkilling, but I should have get it smaller, but it is what it is, doing the job. Right next to it, that's my Jabo 4-channel dusting pump. Hey, for the price, I can't complain about this dusting pump. It costs like $100, and it's doing the job, you know. At those 2-part bionic, and at those aqua power. And if you guys are looking for something cheap, there it is, the Jabo. Right behind the Jabo, that's my auto top off. I don't know the brand, I forgot the name. But anyway, the auto top off, it let me know when my reservoir is getting empty. So it's pretty good. Right behind the protein skimmer. That's my filter socks that I change once a week. That's it, guys. I think I covered everything. Okay. I got my pH Pro and my Temperature Pro right in front. I run the Apex in my aquarium, and with the Apex, I'm telling you, you can go on vacation, and you know when something goes wrong in your tank. So I recommend you guys to, if you have the money, get an Apex control. Is oh my god, make your life so easier. It's good stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys my pH and my temperature with my lights off and my main display tank. April 78.5. That's it, guys. If you guys have any question, let me know. I hope you guys like the video, and see you guys in the next one.